with OCRV. We're over at the body shop today. This is a Tiffin Allegro bus that unfortunately the customers were coming down Cajon Pass and a tractor trailer stopped abruptly in front of them. They did not have time to stop. So the whole front of this coach was destroyed, pushed back all the way into the engine, the cooling system. The dash was destroyed and crushed. So we're just doing the final detail today and getting ready for the customers to come back. And let me tell you, the guys did an amazing job on this. The fit and finish of all the fiberglass work, the headlights fit, the color match, the graphics are just beautiful. The new clear bras on, coach is detailed, dialed in. Hope the customers get back in their coach and have a great time. It's been a long haul because parts are hard to get when you crash a brand new coach like this, but we've done a beautiful job and put it back fantastic for them. We hope they're real happy with it.